Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to do a simple recipe of roast sweet potatoes. We've eaten lots of sweet potatoes down here in the South, and they're usually grown right here locally, but tonight we have some Korean sweet potatoes, and these are very unique because unlike our orange sweet potatoes here in the South, these potatoes have a deep purple color on the inside. As you can see there, they have a nice deep purple color, which is filled with nutrients and vitamins for your body that is healthy for your body. So I'm going to show you how we get these purple sweet potatoes roasted up and tasting good so we can have a nice sweet potato dish. Okay, everyone, I have peeled and cut the potatoes. As you can see, I have them here. So what we're going to do is we're going to season them up a little bit. We're going to add some oil to them. Then we're going to put them on a pan and we're going to roast them in the oven. So first I'm going to add some of my all-purpose seasoning, which is really just garlic, salt, garlic powder, salt, black pepper. Get a nice quantity of that in here. I'm not really measuring today. We're just kind of eyeballing it. And one of my favorite seasonings is Lawry's. So seasoning salt, we're going to put some of that in here. And I love the flavor of paprika, and I think it'll go good with these potatoes. So we're gonna put some of that in there as well. And then our favorite extra virgin olive oil. All right. I'm just going to mix this up, get the seasoning mixed in there well. And we're going to put these purple sweet potatoes on a foil-lined baking sheet, and we're going to roast them in the oven. There we go. Okay, so we have our baking sheet here, pan underneath here, and I put the parchment paper on instead of the foil. I have plenty of parchment paper, so I might as well use that. And it works just as good as aluminum foil. And we just pour the potatoes right in the pan. They're nice and seasoned. And we're gonna throw these in a 350-degree oven. And I'm gonna say a good 30 minutes, 35 minutes, they should be ready. We don't want to dry them out, but we want them to be nice and tender on the inside. Okay, we have our oven set. I set it to 325. You know, this countertop oven, it cooks very hot. So I was going to go 350, but we're going to go 325 for 30 minutes. And on the roast setting, I think that should be good for these potatoes. So we're just going to go ahead and put them in the oven here. And now we're roasting. Okay, so our timer just went off, 30 minutes at 325 degrees. Let's just pull this out here. Okay, so yes, they are fork tender. So that's good. Here's another, oh yeah, that's really good. You can just mash this. Here you go. So our purple potatoes are baked. We're gonna get them plated up and see what they taste like. Okay, our potatoes are done. I plated them up in a bowl here, sprinkle a little parsley on them. In this little side dish here, dipping dish, I have some yogurt. I put a little lemon zest, lemon juice, and some parsley and honey in this yogurt. So we're gonna give these purple potatoes a taste here. Oh, they're really, really good. Tastes good. Not as sweet as our southern orange sweet potatoes. Let me just try one without the yogurt. Oh yeah, really good. So we have our purple Korean sweet potatoes, roasted in the oven, 325 degrees for 30 minutes. And we have some lemon, honey, yogurt dipping sauce to go with the potatoes. So I hope you try this dish at home. Now, I bought these potatoes at the Super G International Market here in Charlotte, North Carolina. So I want to thank you for viewing. It's a tasty dish. Try it at home. Everybody, have a nice day.